Welcome to the quiz lab. Hiya there. Ready to explore the farm? Let's go. First, let's visit the barn. The barn is where the animals sleep and take care of their babies. Can you name this animal? Right, a cow. Cows provide meat, and a lot of people milk cows to make things like cheese and ice cream. Let's learn some more animals you might see on the farm. This is a chicken. Chickens lay eggs. This is a pig. Pigs love to roll in the mud. This is a duck. This is a goat. This is a sheep. This is a horse. Horses pull machinery around the farm. They also help farmers and ranchers catch cows. These are some tools you'll see around the farm. This is a bucket. This is a tractor. This is a shovel. This is a wheelbarrow. Let's go visit the garden. These are called garden beds. Let's see what's inside. This year, the farmer planted carrots. Peas. Corn. Pumpkins. Beets. Cucumbers. Look, a bunny. Bunnies love eating the fruits and vegetables from the garden. Let's take a look at the compost. After all the plants die and the food has been eaten, the farmer adds all of the scraps and leftovers to the compost pile. The worms help turn it into more soil for the plants in the garden, year after year. Are you ready for a farm trivia? Let's see what you've learned today. Can you name this animal? Is it a cow, a sheep, or a horse? Good job! This is a sheep! What about this animal? Is it a pig, a chicken, or a duck? Right, it's a duck! I hope you learned a lot on the farm today. It was wonderful to show you around. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this.